Hi, you are welcome to this day one program, kickoff and ideation. We are at the National Innovation Hub trying to look at the possibility of making this KAWA Connect better and also supporting the team that we are working with so that all the time they'll be doing things the right way and doing things perfectly. The purpose of this workshop is to help us move from ideation, also have the idea well validated as a solution, then understand the career business model that we are going to follow. Then we go as far as go to market strategy. Apart from that, we are also going to be focusing on building startups that solve real world problems. Now, KAWA Connect is a startup. We are trying to see how to connect it to the problem. Then we're also going to be focusing on user needs, not just technology, helping ourselves understand better about the user needs of our product, not just technology. One icebreaker is to request everyone to introduce the idea in one sentence. And so it is up to you to see how you can be able to introduce the idea. But it is also important for us to focus on what a business idea is. And we are saying that it is a short, precise description of what your business does. And of course, the business which is done in any area may be focusing on some financial gain. And then also, we also look at the foundations of the business pyramid. The key elements in the business idea may be problem solved and value created. Also, it is important as an activity for you to write your business idea down, and provided a template there, which is very, very useful. And you can use the KAWA Connect example that KAWA Connect delivers offline curriculum aligned learning resources that reduce costs, save time, and improve the teaching and learning outcomes in most of the schools that we serve. But there are also a number of sources of business ideas, which may include past experience. A number of us do this as a hobby, and we're passionate about what we do. Then we also have the strengths and abilities. We also have a lot of family support. Distribution channels are there. Travels, we read a lot of books and a lot of research from the web, especially with the availability of artificial intelligence. We also do a lot of research from magazines, and we follow current trends. It is also important for us to understand the KAWA Connect as a case study. We are talking about the experience we have with ICT Clubs under the schools that we serve. Total number has now reached about 283 by 2025 September. We are passionate about ICT and ICT education. We also have strength in understanding the curriculum, having worked a lot with NCDC, and also the technology, especially the Raspberry Pis that we have here, and the Internet and books concept that we have worked on with the Edify. So we have the strength there. But we also have family friends, co-directors, and support from the schools, from the partners, and the support from UCC. But we also understand the new trends like artificial intelligence, the rollout of the competence-based curriculum, the installation of the labs by UCC, digital skilling, the 2030 agenda, all these new trends that are coming up. We know them, and we are trying to see how to take advantage of all this. This one talks about how to generate business idea. Of course, anyone with a business, but for us at KAWA, we are focusing on our creativity. We also work with our families and friends. We solve daily educational programs, and it's a hobby. And we also try to make tasks easier, the tasks of a teacher, and also try to improve the existing products. But as a KAWA CONNECT. It is a new innovation, so we try to improve on it on a regular basis and making the tasks of a teacher very easy so that it can be a solution in the education process. So problem solution fit, the key principle here is the no problem, no business. And business is succeed by solving urgent and painful problems. So KAWA CONNECT really supports teachers who may be tired of using yellow notes and their photocopying notes, and by giving them offline teacher packs. And the teacher packs have notes, have videos, they have schemes of work, and they're also going to be having lesson plans. Then to the parents who overspend on data, spending as far as 500,000 per month on data, we are providing affordable home kits. Now, the students who lack CBC resources, we are providing interactive offline content. Then also to the ICT labs, which are underutilized in a number of schools with a lot of equipment and support from UCC. Those ones we're also providing them with the resources to uplift their lab usage. So we are going to also be understanding how we are working out on validating the problem urgency. So we do this by asking the schools what happens if this problem is not solved for a year, and of course we get responses, and this guides us. So in the key takeaways in our session here is that we must have a clear and precise business idea. We understand this as for KAWA, and then the idea must be rooted in the real problems, the local problems that we face day to day. And we must have sources. Sources are authentic and community driven, and problem solving. Solution fit is strong. Problem solution fit is very strong, so that we don't produce a product which the market does not need. So in the next topic, we shall be looking at validating the idea and how to ensure that the product goes to the market in a more suitable way. So we're closing with a quote that customers don't buy products, they buy solutions to their problems, and that is what we're trying to do. Thank you so much. May God bless you.